Welcome back to News 2 at 3. I'm Tori Gessner. A man is injured as a house suddenly explodes in a Gallatin neighborhood. News 2's Andy Cordan was at the scene talking to witnesses and neighbors about the scary situation.
So around 10:30 today, I was about a half mile through those woods doing another story. All of a sudden, boom, and then there was a concussive wave. We felt it. I felt it and I was half a mile away. You were closer than that, weren't you?
It was a big boom.
What did that feel like?
Really felt like it was an earthquake or something. That's what it felt like to me. It was like an earthquake.
We were shocked. Like, what is that? 30 seconds later, a plume of smoke. And so you saw the plume of smoke?
Fire.
Fire.
Fire. Did the smoke.
I'll zoom in. This is what we saw. That, I am told, was a house that looks just like these other houses on either side of it. I am told that they were doing a final walkthrough and checking for everything working, making sure it was ready, you name it. All of a sudden there's an explosion, and that is certainly under investigation as to what caused that. But we do know that there was at least one person that was close by. He was transported, alert, but it looked like he had been either in or near an explosion. He is now at a local hospital.
Walking down the street with in his underwear because I think the rest of his clothes burned off.
It was an absolute shock. I think just adrenaline. It was pretty gruesome. It was traumatizing to see for sure. He was in our front yard. He was asking us for milk, just completely disheveled. And I asked him to have a seat, and he said, "I can't sit right now." And so I called 911 and let them know that he was outside of our house.
So we have talked to people that also felt the same concussive wave, and here's what they said it was like for them.
All of a sudden felt the blast. It felt like either a car ran into the front of the house or a tree came down on the roof. So I came running to his room to check on him, and I came out here and saw that house down the street on fire.
So fire officials tell me that the TBI is on their way to do the investigation here. The good news, no loss of life. In Gallatin, Andy Cordan, News 2.